Hi, Assalamualaikum. Today we are presenting about method of supporting and excavation for basement. So for our topic, we were chosen for ground anchor construction. Before we start, we will let me introduce our group members. Me, myself as the first presenter, Rafiq Iskandar bin Hisham. Our second presenter, Muhammad Aiman Hafiz. Our third presenter, Shaza Hana. Our fourth presenter, Ahmad Kalish, and our fifth presenter is Muhammad Adnan. For introduction, ground anchors play a crucial role in stabilizing basement walls and retaining structures during excavation and after construction. These systems are used to resist lateral loads from soil pressure and water, especially in deep basements or when construction occurs near property lines. Ground anchors are typically installed by drilling into the soil or rock behind the retaining walls, inserting a steel tendon or bar and grouting it in place. Once the grout cures, the anchors is tensioned and locked off, providing immediate support to the wall. This method ensures both safety and structural integrity, making it essential in modern basement construction. Right now, I would like to explain about the various functions of the ground anchor construction for the basement. First, it can provide lateral support. Second, it also can prevent wall movement that can cause collapse. Third, it can stabilize the soil or rock behind the wall. Fourth, it can control the ground settlement or water pressure. And lastly, it can be temporary or permanent.
In this video segment, I am going to talk about the first phase of ground anchor construction. Basically, before the construction is going to start, you have to make sure that the design that you're going to develop is efficient, especially in terms of how the anchors are going to be used, as well as how they're going to be installed. So once you've decided to do all these things, the machine transport will come to the site, and that kind of machinery is going to be used to sort out the drill rig. Once you sort out the drill rig, you drill the inner and outer casing into the ground. Once the drilling is all done, the drilling is extended even more before you inject the grout and before you insert the trowel bar with the sleeve. Now that the first phase of ground anchor construction is already presented by me, the second phase will be presented by my friend Aiman Hafiz.
Next, let me present the second phase of the construction. First, we will fill in grout through the inner casing into the borehole. Second, we will remove the inner casing, and after that, we will install the anchor, that is tender anchor. The fourth, we will remove the outer casing while grouting the fixed anchor line. After that, we will apply the final anchor installed in the ground. After we apply that, our construction team will testing and pre-testing the anchor and the drill of the second anchor layer. And we will repeat the testing and pre-testing the second anchor, and we will finally the final wall with the 2 layers of ground anchor will form.
Next, I would like to talk about the advantages of ground anchor. First, allow deep excavation with minimal space. Next, minimize obstruction in excavation. Next, reduce ground settlement. Next, we got high flexibility in terms of depth and layout. Next, can be preload. And lastly, effective in wide range of soil and rock.
So let's jump to the next part, which is disadvantage of ground anchor construction method for basement. So today, I will explain 4 disadvantages for this method. The first one is high initial cost. If you do this method, skill level and high quality method is really required. So cost from that, it will increase the cost to pay a salary level and buy some high quality material. Second, complex installation process. If you do this method, the installation process is very complicated and you need to personal experience to do that. Third, soil and rock dependency. Certain of soil like soft soil is not suitable for this method. So before you do this method, you must to make some observation properly to study about the condition of soil. The last but not least is environmental and vibration issues. During the method is carried out, it may be with interrupting the people nearby the site construction.
Ground anchor construction is a highly effective and reliable method for supporting a deep basement excavation. This technique provides a crucial lateral stability and optimizes site logistics, ensuring a safe, efficient construction process.